Do you have thousands of projects in mind? Comfort first and foremost. Enjoy the comfort of the Practik range. Includes automatic threader, automatic buttonhole in one step, and LED stitch indicator. The Practik 9 is suitable for all thick fabrics such as jeans, leather, corduroy, as it incorporates elastic stitching for sewing knitwear, lycra, t-shirts. But depending on the elastic, a different needle is necessary. It has variable stitch length and stitch width. It is a robust and stable machine, which has 2 metal spool holders, metal presser foot holder, metal shuttle and bobbin case. Includes 34 types of stitches, automatic buttonhole in one step, lock stitch, overcasting, stretch overcasting, invisible stitch, stretch stitch with overcasting, decorative scallop stitch, wave scallop stitch, light decorative stitches, double lock stitch, honeycomb stitch, herringbone stitch, stretch overlock stitch, patchwork scallop stitch, cross stitch decorative stitches, stretch stitches and overlock stitches. The Practik 9 has an upper thread tension regulator to adapt the seam to the fabric. Automatic bobbin winder. Double presser foot height for coarse fabrics. And free arm for tubular fabrics. It also has a white LED light. 6 rows of drive tines to facilitate the movement of the fabric. Stitch reversal for back tack stitches. And thread trimmer. Get the most out of your Practik 9.